Hola! In this episode, we will talk about transmission in central nervous system. So let's discuss the following: classify the general anesthetic and describe the theories of general anesthesia. So we have the inhalation anesthesia, which is divided into two: the volatile and the gaseous anesthetic, and the parenteral anesthetics. The theories of general anesthesia: first, lipid solubility theory of Overton and Mayer, and surface tension or adsorption theory of Trobe. Next is the microcrystal theory of Pauling and Miller, and the protein binding theory of Frank and Lieb. Next, we have the receptors theory and the ion channels theory. Number 4. Here are the suitable examples and the pharmacological effects of the barbiturates. Their major pharmacological effect in the CNS, respiratory system, CVS, and kidney. In the uterus and fetus, skeletal muscle, and the smooth muscle. That's it for today's episode. Thank you. Adios.